Hi guys! Good morning! I'm getting ready kasi magkikita kami ng kapatid ni Dan. Pupunta kami sa somewhere. So yeah, that's the ganap. I need to... Oh my gosh, it's raining! I need to do my makeup real quick. I finished my skincare na. I just want to say thank you. Oh, by the way, I'm watching Carly's video, yung My Boyfriend Does My Makeup. Pause ko muna yan ng sandali. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat na nag-comment sa my everyday makeup look ko. Kasi sobrang daming suggestions kung paano mawala yung mga scars. Actually guys, slowly na silang nawawala. And please don't ask me anong ginawa ko kasi wala akong ginawa. Like, you know, wala akong ginawa na parang to target na mawala sila. I just did my normal skincare routine. Pero yeah, they're slowly disappearing. This one is new. But the rest, they're looking good. At saka ng lighting, wait. Pero yeah, I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup. The same lang sa dun sa video na na-upload ko. Pero I'm gonna use a different skin. I was gonna say I'm gonna use a different skin color. I'm gonna use a different lipstick, obviously. Yung My Boyfriend Does My Makeup tag, I'm pretty sure it's already up kasi it will be up before this video. But, na-edit ko na siya kagabi. Hindi ko pa natapos though. Sabi ni Don, 5,000 likes daw. Sabi niya kapag umabot daw ng 5,000, gagawa siya ulit ng video. Pero I don't think aabot ng 5,000, you guys. Ayaw na niya talaga gawin eh. Oh, shit! Ayaw niya talaga mag-video, kaya sinabi niya 5,000. Pero, sana umabot ng 5,000, no? Kasi kapag umabot, gagawa siya. Patagal ng patagal, padami ng padami yung nire-request na likes. Pero, kaya natin yan, guys. And, yeah. Kasi gusto ko kaya mag-film kami. My makeup is done. Hindi ako nag-mascara. Kasi mamaya na lang ako magmamaskara pagbalik ko dito ng bahay. Oh yeah, I need to get my leather jacket. Meron pa akong 45 minutes eh. Darating siya. Sabi niya 11 niya daw ako susunduin. I got my jacket on. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. I'm not sure if you really can see. Pero, right there. So, wait. I have my leather jacket on. Tapos, in here, I don't even remember where I got this from. Sobrang tagal na sa akin na to. It's a kind of like... Ewan ko, basta long sleeve lang siya na may pagka-gray tapos merong mga silver specks. And then I'm wearing my jeans from nakalimutan ko na. Krisa ata to? Krisa jeans? Yeah, I think it's Krisa. Tapos, I don't have shoes yet, but I'm gonna wear my combat boots later. So that's my outfit of the day. And then I just have my everyday makeup look. Very different yung lipstick. I have on the Color Show lipstick in... Shoot, I forgot. Nakalimutan ko yung shade. Basta yung may pagka peachy nudes. It has been raining. Though the sun is already out. Pero, yeah, it's been raining. It's been a shitty weather, you guys. Maghihintay na ako sa labas, you guys. Hindi ko dadalhin yung camera ko kasi hindi naman ako magva-vlog. I-charge ko siya para pagdating ko mamaya, full na siya. Sana. Hindi naman kasi siya lowbat pa. I'm still waiting for my battery. But, yeah, i-charge ko lang siya para hindi ma-interrupt yung filming ko later. Kasi nga, I will film. So, yeah, we'll see you guys later. Hello! I'm home. And yes, iba na yung lipstick ko. Diba? Parang, bakit ang dark tingnan? Parang siyang black sa camera, pero it's a brown lipstick. I'm gonna film a video. Pagdating ko, I changed my lipstick. Tapos I applied mascara. And then I prepared the stuff that I'm gonna film. I'm gonna film a haul again. Oh wow, I'm gonna film a haul again. Meron sa inyo kasi ayaw ng hauls. Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan is, you click on the video na obviously may haul na title. Tapos magko-comment ka na hindi ko gusto yung mga hauls mo. Like, the title has haul in it. Like, why did you click on it, right? Like, parang, why? Oh gosh, people. Anyway, I'm gonna film now. I have my tripod right here. I'm thinking of where I'm gonna film this time. Siguro uupo ako sa floor, tapos yung background ko, si Ube. We'll see. Kasi last time dito ako eh, tapos naka-close yung door. Lunchtime, I have my rice. I have hot and spicy tuna. And then I'm watching Zoella. This is my book club picks video. I don't read books, but I just like watching her, so I'm watching this. And yeah, kain tayo. Hello. Sorry?
这对好。
vlogging. Do I have a package?
No package.
You checked the mail?
Yeah.
I checked it twice today as well. I don't have a package.
Maybe the battery's not coming.
I know, right? I've been waiting for it for
Can you
days
email them
or
or not
weeks
yet?
now. Sorry?
Can you email them?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
It
no.
says 5 to 10 business days, so we'll see. Do you like my lipstick? Look at my lipstick. It looks black. Is it black or brown? It doesn't transfer. What do you think? What's the color?
Brownie red.
Ooh. Specific brownie red. No, it's not. I actually can't explain. I ate. I already ate today, so it kind of faded in the inner corner. Hello. Pupunta kami sa hello. Hello. We will go to the pub. Oh, we're going to the shoe place first?
Yeah, we gotta Rivers first.
We will go to Rivers first. I saw shoes on sale, so we will check it out. We'll see. I don't need it, but it's $7, $7.50. It was originally $30, so we'll see if they have it there. And then after that, we will have dinner. Tinamad ako magluto ng dinner, so we'll just have dinner out. We'll go to the pub. The weather looks good. It's just cold, but it's not raining anymore, which is good. We're going there. Rivers. First time to go to Rivers. Get out of the way, car. Okay, perfect. Let's go. We're here. I didn't buy anything from Rivers. Highlander. I need to pee. We're here now. This looks really cool right here, you guys. Look at the lights. I like the lights. But yeah. Oh, the floors as well, babe. Did you see the floor?
Yeah.
That's cool. The noodles looks good. And that. This is what we got from the salad bar. Yum. The plate is so small. They don't want you to get a lot. Look at this. This is huge. I got the salt and pepper squid, and then he got the chicken parmesan. Yum. Oh, this is big. I'm full already. Just by looking at it. We're going to the gaming.
Soccer section. Just to make sure it's a 1 cent machine.
What do you mean?
So 1 cent.
1 cent?
Yeah.
How about that one?
You want to play this one?
Yeah.
Yes, you play.
Sige. I'll play.
So we do 1 and 20. Yeah,
1
and then 20, yeah.
See, I don't understand how this goes. Okay, what does that mean?
Nah,
I won?
5 cents, but it cost you 20.
Oh shit. So you just keep pressing this button.
So you got 20 cents back.
I got 20 cents. I won.
Ooh.
What does that mean? Oh, I have 0. 8 cents. So you just keep pressing this thing.
So you got to do.
That's all you gotta do.
Honestly, yeah.
And you gotta waste your money just pressing this thing.
Yeah.
Yep. Nothing. That's it?
That's it.
Ooh, hello, 10 cents. There's a girl.
Ooh, 88.
88 cents.
We're back.
Are we?
No.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
I'm not sure, babe.
Did you put all 5 blocks?
Yeah, we can take it out though. When you get down to $3, we'll take it out. We'll play the other one.
See.
Alright, so there we go.
I'm eating my salad. Ako lang kakain ito kasi ayaw niya. But yeah, it's good. Do you wanna try? No? No? No chance at all? I added cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah. Try.
No. No, that's horrible.
Horrible? It's not. I swear. Oh, whatever. You don't even want to try. Cheese, cheddar. Wanna try? Whatever. And then I also am saving this video right here. Ito yung my boyfriend does my makeup tags. So as soon as that's done, I'm gonna upload it. So yes, it's gonna be up tomorrow. Well, it's already up when you're watching this video. But yeah. I'm using my mermaid blankie. Nice. Someone commented on my video na hindi na siya mermaid kasi sabi ko umaabot dito yung akin. So, hindi lang siya dito sa ano ko. Sabi niya, hindi na mermaid ka, isda ka na. Nakakatawa. Anyway, malapit na matapos ma-save yung video ko. So, I'm just gonna upload it as soon as matapos na siya. Hello! Katatapos ko lang mag-film, but I will go ahead and change kasi hindi kami matutuloy. May lakad kasi sana kami ngayon. Tapos, sabi nung pupuntahan namin, tsaka daw yung weather doon. So, hindi na lang kami tutuloy. Bukas na lang kami alis. So, kailangan ko magpalit ng damit. Ito yung sinuot ko kanina when I was filming the video. And yeah, I filmed the Q&A video, yung all about YouTube. So, next Q&A will be all about Filipino Cupid. And marami ako mga comments na natatanggap sa kung ano-anong video ko. Merong hashtag #AskRhaze. Please do make sure na you comment on the Q&A video, not on the vlogs or other beauty videos. Kasi yun yung chinecheck ko eh. Yung Q&A video yung chinecheck ko para sa next Q&A. So yeah, Filipino Cupid yung topic natin next, you guys. So, make sure na naka-leave yung questions nyo. So yeah, magbibihis lang ako, you guys. And siguro in an hour, darating na si Dan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin ngayon. I will cook the pork chop again. Yung paborito niya, yung may mushroom. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yun. So I'm just gonna do that. Oh, is it a good time for ice cream though? It's really cold.
That's not too bad.
Pupunta kami sa Foodland. We will buy ice cream. Yum. We will buy drumsticks. Ooh, it's so cold. We're here. It's so close. Yung nilalakad ko lang. Pumuntahan namin. We're here. Where is it? Oh, talong. Look at your face.
What about it? My lipstick?
You have that?
What is it?
A lipstick. My lips. And then your lips are red. I'm sorry.
That's alright.
I didn't notice it. It's dark at home. I'm looking for chips.
You're so naughty, babe.
I know, look at that. Hey, it's weekend.
Long weekend.
Oh yeah, very long weekend. See, those corn chips appeals to me. We're home. I'm gonna try this snowballs. I'm not sure if this is an Australian thing, and he's not sure either. But I'm excited for this. I like caramel, so I'm gonna try that. This one is for my coffee. And then we have the popcorn, very healthy. What do you want? Chocolate?
Nah, caramel.
Caramel?
Oh, they're not too small, are they?
They're not too small.
That is delicious.
That's actually perfect.
What flavour do you reckon that? Well, how do you say? This one, this one. So how can you tell?
This is chocolate.
Yeah.
See? It's brown.
Do you want caramel?
Oh, yeah, I want caramel. Thank you. Yummers. I'm just gonna close the vlog. Our video is gonna be up in 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure you already saw it when this video is up. But yeah, anyway, tapos ko na hugasan yung aking mukha. I'm ready for bed. And yeah. What?
Drag me into it.
What? Oh, by the way, like that video. Because if that video reaches 5,000, which is kind of impossible, but we can do it. He will do another video. So yeah, please like the video. I'll close the vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Good night. Want to say good night?
Good night.
Bye.